Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy S20. Okay, so first, we need to power off our device. To do it, simply hold the power key and volume down button, keep holding until you see the power menu. Then confirm by clicking the power button, the power off button on the screen, of course. And now we need to enter a special menu. We need to have the USB-C cable that is connected to our computer also. And now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. And now insert the cable. Keep holding volume keys until you see this menu. You also need to be aware that if you lock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. So before entering this menu, I highly recommend to create a backup of your data. Okay, now we need to hold volume up. I know that the screen is really bright, but it's impossible to change the brightness in here. And maybe I will change the angle. Now it's asking us, do we want to lock the bootloader? We want, so we gotta click on volume up. Click once. And now we can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. And now our device will be turned on. We'll go quickly through the setup process and we will finish everything in developer options. But now we need to keep waiting until our device turns on. Okay, our phone has turned on, so let's click this blue button. Now select the language. Of course, I'll stick to English in my case. Then click on Next. Now select that you agree. Okay, I'll skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup process will be much faster. Click on Next. More, accept. I'll skip the screen lock. Now, same thing with the Samsung account. More, agree. The theme, I'll stick to light one, finish, okay. And now we need to open up developer options to fully lock the bootloader. Go to settings first, open up the connections menu, go to Wi-Fi, select available network, type the password, hit the connect button, go back, scroll all the way down, go to about phone, software information, tap on the build number, real quick, 7 times in a row, then go back, developer options, and in here turn off OEM unlocking feature. Now the phone says that we need to restart it to use device protection features, so let's do it. Hold the power key and volume down, tap restart, and then tap again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.